Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to disable captions on Instagram. To start, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Once you're in, tap on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the three lines at the top right corner to access the settings menu. From here, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Within the accessibility settings, you'll find an option to turn off captions. Simply toggle the switch to the off position and you're all set. Disabling captions can help improve your overall Instagram experience by removing any distracting text overlays on your feed. By following these simple steps, you can easily customize your Instagram settings to better suit your preferences. And that's it. You've successfully disabled captions on Instagram. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.